nak keluar. Sebab actually ni sumpah spontaneous. Pagi tadi Erdina nak cari hadiah. So macam tiba-tiba macam oh weh jom pergi sini. Lepas tu macam oh ya jom dinner luar sekali. So here we are. Tengah nak dinner luar and cari hadiah untuk orang. Dah tak ternyorok dah scar dia.
Pegang. Pegang tu.
Oh. Wait, that's actually so cute.
Oh my gosh, ni apa?
Look. And then look at this. Zigzag box. Flash dice. Stupid. See the number 9 on this card from the back. You can draw the opponent's chosen card.
Oh, dari belakang ni kita boleh nampak 9.
Oh, maybe kot dia macam jenis yang macam kalau
Kena
tahu
cahaya
tak? Ya, macam
pada-
hologram. Shake the box up and down and the dice will become the same number of points. The number of the dice are instantly arranged in order. How? That's kind of cool. Okay.
Ini macam kita sekali yang terkena dia punya ni. Satu kotak ni ada 3 permainan.
Ada 3 benda ni
Ya.
lah. Oh, yang ni besar lagi ke? Yang ni. Oh, tengok.
Ya.
Ada lebih banyak.
Full and best. Play, bodek, connect.
What is it? Creative, hijab styles. Creative, Malaysian excuses. Malaysian pokai. Oh, faham?
I think kita pernah main yang
Ah,
macam
dalam Roblox tu.
kan. Okay.
There were like Paris. We're flying. Can you speak French?
I can't.
You can?
I can't. I speak Spanish je.
Bonjour. We're at Paris.
I don't know her, I think.
Bonjour or bonsoir? Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour, je m'appelle.
We're at
Oui,
Vienna
oui.
now.
Oh.
Vienna or Lisbon? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Budapest.
Where's Budapest?
I don't know actually. Ni Hungary.
Hungary.
Europe lah.
Yeah.
Budapest. Budapest.
Let's do it. Get me this. What should I do? What did I do?
No, it's just the static clip. No, static, Ufa. Don't look at the camera.
My face is so steady already. This is
Oh.
cute.
Why is it like that?
My future boyfriend, please get me this. Thank you.
Ufa ada request ni kat kedai ni Boleh try. Kalau nak try Ufa boleh ni je.
Dia aktif puzzle dan kawan ni boleh main. Dan harga dia 48 je. Dan kita akan bagi 4% diskaun.
Kita ramah. Tapi the fact yang macam dia orang sangatlah friendly weh. Aku awal-awal tu sebab macam I saw tak macam kan tadi
Friendly bukan in a uncomfortable way.
dia macam memang friendly. Aku rasa macam aku borak
I
dengan member.
can make eye contact with him. Tapi dia macam
Sure. I like
macam mana nak cari
aku macam like surprise lah dia orang punya macam tu. Sebab tadi kan Atik dah ada kan that one guy yang pergi ke Atik dengan Ulfa kot,
itu
kan?
kita macam dia macam tak kena sikit
Dia macam tak nice lah. And then like Atik lari. So I macam okay fine jom lah kita jangan serang. Tiba-tiba hi you aku macam oh hello. I very macam wow.
Tapi best lah cara dia layan orang tu best. Saya suka. Dia macam dia cerita pasal diri dia dulu nak tunjukkan dia macam open.
Ya
Baru dia tanya pasal orang.
Nice lah.
Dan cara dia layan orang dia tak melebih macam nampak lelaki yang gatal tau. Faham tak?
Faham dia macam memang friendly lah.
Ya.
I suka. Nice
I'm
lah.
surprised dia fikir kita suka mendengar lagi tu.
He said that ke?
Dia macam korang dah sunda je tu.
Oh I didn't know that.
Jadi sebab kita rendah weh.
Probably. Tapi like nampak lah macam he was trying to help and everything. So macam nice lah.
And I bought something new. I didn't buy the kayu one. Kayu
Yeah.
one tu macam basic.
Yeah. Tapi I feel like the kayu one would be like lagi mahal, no?
Kayu tak sama je.
Oh really?
I buy the kayu pun a lot kat rumah ada banyak. So dia macam sebab tu I cakap budget bawah 50.
Oh,
Sebab
so
I
you dah tahu lah standard dia macam mana.
Dia bawah 50.
Itu rating kami untuk orang yang kerja dekat kedai puzzle tu.
Mantap tu. At first I macam yang awal-awal tu okay je. Tapi dia macam random and I cannot macam cakap dengan dia sebab I don't watch One Piece.
Oh, dia cakap tentang One Piece ke tadi? So, I think sebab kau...
pasal One Piece pun.
Dia cakap pasal tu je.
Dia cakap pasal puzzle tu.
Ha.
So aku macam nak.
Oh puzzle. So kita macam tengok puzzle tu je. Dia macam ibarat kau nampak macam Harry Potter.
Oh, dia macam forcing it sangat lah.
I guess. So macam nak dia nak
forcing it. Dia macam
Kan aku ingatkan nak cakap
Pasal
pasal
Pasal One Piece.
Tapi dia cakap pasal apa yang ada kat puzzle tu. Macam aku tak interested kot.
Faham? Hanya sekarang puzzle tu ada kena-mena dengan One Piece.
Tapi dia cakap, oh ini ada karakter, dia tak ada karakter.
Dia macam tak kena macam cerita ke.
Dia macam cerita about the puzzle je lah.
Yes.
Faham? Then I guess that's the difference. Sebab macam that guy tadi dia macam, in a way dia macam personal sikit. Dia macam borak macam nak buat kawan.
Jangan dia buat kawan.
Oh ni. Masuk. Oh yeah, obviously. Of course Atik is in this aisle.
This is where I go straight to.
I don't see it.
What do you want?
The buku for
For what?
Shadowhunter, the second book.
The second one?
Yeah.
Why not buy online?
Yeah, I thought about that also. Tapi like
Online lagi mahal atau murah?
the one yang I beli tu used, so dia murah lagi.
Ada Shadowhunters?
Yeah, but it's the whole set, which is something that I'm not sure I want to commit to. I'm trying to find Shadowhunters punya series. I have this book already. Wait, wrong. I have City of Bones. I'm reading it right now. So like I can show you City of Ashes. But I don't want to commit and buy this whole thing because this could be like macam couple hundred ringgit, which I'm not that crazy about. Because like I takut macam halfway I stop membaca. Oh my god, tapi dia orang koyak tu.
Jangan.
Okay, sorry. I really thought about it. What book is this?
I don't know.
Holy
Black?
Magistrium.
Oh, Holy Black collab dengan Cassandra Clare.
Ooh.
Cassandra Clare ni Shadowhunters kan. Holy Black is the Crow Prince.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So I'm thinking ni fantasy lah kan.
Think you know magic? Think again. I would say it's fantasy lah.
That's so old school punya ayat tu.
Sebenarnya lah. Wow. That's so cool. From the imaginations of best-selling authors, Holly Black and Cassandra Clare comes a heart-stopping plunge into the magical unknown.
Sebab both of them are fantasy writers tau.
I like this actually. This is so cute.
But you have to read the summary first.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, not summary, synopsis.
Yeah. Because like macam tak ada siapa pernah cakap
What's
pun
that?
about this.
Dia old school. Dia macam book yang akan ada kat library sekolah je tu.
I see. Oh,
Yang
dah
dia
lama
tak
ke?
tutup. Macam tu.
You mean? Yeah, it looks
Loki
lah old
is
school
giving that
sebenarnya. Yeah. Did you get your ni? Oh,
It has to be purple.
it's
I want it to be macam apa dia kata camouflage ke benda ni. So ada satu lagi warna hitam tau. Tapi nanti nampak sangat lah ni warna kuningnya.
or
Look at me.
okay,
Dia
fine,
macam nak
fine.
camouflage.
Sure, I see where the
tak
head
tutup
is
penuh
at.
lah tapi muat.
Okay. Okay lah.
We can move on and eat.
Let's go makan.
Let's go.
Look how comel.
Oh,
It's like a baggage, like a
luggage.
yeah.
Luggage.
Oh, you can actually.
You can actually pull it, no?
Yeah.
Cannot. What are we doing here?
Let's go.
We have to get rid of the evidence. Chicken peppers. Sorry, it's very
Macam tak pro lah dia ni, macam tak pro lah.
dia macam
Tak, sumpah tak. Like literally kita berjalan tadi macam ni je tau.
Semerapat-rapat.
Sumpah, sebesar-besar ni buat kau nak jalan. Kau faham tak? Tapi dia orang punya berakal kan nak jalan.
Weh, bukan berapa je weh. Dia cium dinding sekali.
Ya weh. Kalau boleh macam ni weh.
Respect.
Itu rendahkan pandangan eh. Rendahkan pandangan orang kata.
Yang memang jarak banyak lagi tau.
Tak. Oh.
Nak serius ke?
Tak.
Oh, korang nak pergi? Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Tapi kelakar gila.
Sebab banyak lagi ruang
Ha,
tau.
tak lagi besar. I thought lah kita macam tengah bawa wall tau. Tak aku pandang belakang tu pasal macam lah kita tengah dua-dua. Kau apa pasal dia orang macam tu sangat? Like dia orang literally cium dinding weh. Dia orang memang kat railing tu lah dia orang. Macam kelakar
Apa?
sangat.
Kita husnuzon, diorang jaga ikhtilat dia.
Selamat Raya. Selamat Raya. Selamat Raya. Selamat Raya. Jom tengok gambar Raya. Tapi kita orang kat kampung right now. As you can see. Kita tengok kat kampung.
Pilih-pilih macam kat kampung.
Ya.
Dekat kampungnya. Macam aku nak buat
Oh, mana apa?
Fashion show.
Sini sekali. Kita kena duduk bawah. Okay. Kita orang duduk bawah. Kita orang tukar. Kita orang duduk bawah. Okay. And then kau keluar, faham tak? Kau macam keluar dari kampung. Okay, Ufa, come on. Nanti turun tangan sekali. Okay. Go, Ufa. Aku nyanyi. Aku buat lagu untuk kau. Okay guys, kalau nak sign up, kalau nak model jadi, kalau nak Ufa jadi model korang boleh email IG kat sini. Boleh DM. Harga tak mahal. 100 je satu langkah 100. Ada Royce. Ni.
Why are you not?
Macam oh. I tak macam boleh pusingkan.
Tak boleh, Android dia boleh.
Oh, macam masing-masing kan tu. Cuba. Sedap.
Apa? Enggak best cameraman. You kena hire cameraman lah. I got love potion. Atik got, what you got? Jamocha almond fudge.
Thank you.
It couldn't be just one thing.
Macam
She got all of them.
Kita nak buat trend yang lari pusing-pusing tu. Look at that. Check out the eyeliner.
Check out the eyeliner. What?
Tadi kira you answer.
Wait,
Oh my gosh. Tengok.
that looking oh my gosh, okay. Oh my god.
Okay then.
Oh my god. Bro, dari angle aku pun lawa weh. Sumpah.
Persega.
Wait, asal aku tak lawa? Aku ke problem It's like so bright. Hold on. I was about to leave just now and then class got cancelled. Now I'm here, back in the house, alone, because everyone else already went to class. I don't know what to do. So right now it's like 8:30ish, and I have next class at, my next class is at 12, but I have to catch the bus at 11:30. So yeah, I can't decide if I should sleep or, I feel like I want to sleep. I so want to sleep, if I'm being really honest, but I feel like I shouldn't, so I'm not going to. But I do want to sleep. Know that. I have stuff I need to do actually, to print some stuff and also submit it. Yeah, I can do that. I still can do that. Okay, let's do stuff. Let's be productive.